General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
I didn't do the recording yesterday. I did the PDF. It was in there. If you've seen it, then you've seen we had a pretty good plan for the day. What's going on here? There we go. Wednesday the 23rd. Tomorrow, I believe it is news. It seems like unemployment. Unemployment's always Thursday. Trump talking right now. He might moon us. It's been nothing but good news out of the White House. You got like some Epstein drama, but that's normal in America, or in all countries really. 8:30 kick it off, followed by 9:45 PMI. I think PMI is interesting. That's it. The market went up, so that should tell you enough about Google doing what Google do, as Google usually do it. They've been Googling. Yeah, we knew that wasn't going to change. Okay, we actually got some motion. But like I said yesterday in my journal, I can't be getting excited like, oh, we finna cut rates. But this Comunas, cut rates, we move. We at 68% now. Significant. Okay, that's very significant. This is for September. But don't get too excited. We still need CPI and NFP to confirm. Let's do it backwards because NFP is first. NFP and then CPI to confirm. Let's go earnings. Intel is tomorrow. Intel. I'm trying to figure out how to say they trash, but they not trash. They not gonna move the market though. Tomorrow's Thursday. Let's just see if it's any sneaky ones. I done got snuck up on before. I think it was like AVGO or there was some company. It was nothing that's gonna move the Nasdaq. Nothing that will impact Nasdaq. But that's why I have to do this. Because it's like you gotta keep yourself in check. Remember what you forgot, all that good stuff. Let's go. I might have to fix this indicator too. I've been building some indicators. I'm gonna have my layout together. This is impossible though at some point because we're already in discount. That's the hard thing. Teaching a computer how to think. Oh, okay. That's because this is the hour chart. This should be, yeah. And then the main bias is like the chart. Yeah. So when I'm over here, the highest reading is daily. So if I put weekly, monthly, then it probably reflect that. I think I got too many indicators. Yeah, what's the monthly doing? The monthly's bearish. This was an old low. We closed through it. Closed through quarterly low. Came back. I'll be digging deep into price. This daily fair value gap. Hold up, I moved that. I don't know what that is. Common sense here. Most probable. I want to see range low. That's next, really. Oh, except retracements. We don't even have a 3-bar swing high. So, in this order, here, then maybe retrace, take this high, then lower. We really don't. Like everything's balanced here. Do we put up candle here? Yep, we did. Down candle here. Yep. Here, take this fair swing, take this daily high, keep going. Okay, thinking low first. Maybe retracements to sell. But I think that high is safe. And we discover lower prices from here. Below the low of this range. What happened today? We went crazy. I think the market just opened back up too. Did we hit my target? We didn't. Target missed. We got close though. Let's go here on the weekly. Weekly objective still the same. Nothing changed here. I will watch previous week's high for bounces. $23,555. Let's go here. Weekly's bullish. I was looking at this yesterday. Friday's range. Finally left Friday's range. I kind of want to keep Friday's range here, just so it's the last range we had. I kind of feel like we don't need it because we left it. I will mark the high of this range though. Y'all see this too. We got buy side, but we don't got sell side right here. Close. Close here, open here. Close here, fill this. This is balanced from here. As far as daily objectives, I could see like a swing of this maybe. Just the price. What is this? 23,471. Yeah, I can see that as a projection. 23,471. We are at all-time high. So this is like a level I would keep just in case we get up here, maybe a little bit higher, start falling below. This would be like a mile marker. And whatever arrays form around here, because this was a serious consolidation. We should be able to see easy higher prices though without tripping. 23,471 is target for Thursday. H4. I want higher now. See how we came over here? Boom. Boom. We accumulated in this hard. But this is the candle. Let's see what we got up here. That's around that 471. Where's that tag though? Control. And then let's do some colors or something. It's a different blue. Nah, I think I'm tripping. I think it's the same blue. Any arrays here that's interesting? No. It's just a huge up candle. Does this candle have a bottom? What's this, 1300? That's what time it is. Let's see. 4 hour. No. That candle don't got no bottom. Flat bottom. So that's interesting. This would be a good candle to play too for a sale when we start selling. Let's see. We should make this yellow or something. Something that stands out. Target's still the same. Note the flat bottom at the 1300 candle. We still haven't broken Monday's high. Monday's high is definitely next. Okay, looking for higher prices still. No, the flat bottom. 1300. Candle. Could be interesting target. for later. Yeah, Monday's high still here. I still like this candle. It's still my favorite candle. Pushed up, pushed down. We need to take it out. Any retracements here, I'll be looking to buy. Even as far as like interesting areas of price, flat bottom is interesting. It's too much stuff to get there for that first. To me, I would look to pair orders at this old high. So my buy zone would be like this. I wouldn't even care about what's in between here and here to be my idea. I wouldn't even care about this either. This is Friday's low. That played out just fine. Take that off too. Yep, this is from that day from last week. Here and better. H1 bullish breaker and Q. Create. Target's still the same. I will start hunting at H1 bullish breaker block to target 23 boom 471.00. Alright, alert set at H1 bullish breaker block. Cool. Boom. All right, y'all have a good day. Peace.